So welcome. In this video we will see how to use and install openHAB. So openHAB is basically a open source platform for IoT home automation. So it uses Java, so we need to install Java as well. So first let's go to the openHAB website. So this is the website openhab.org. So there is a download tab. You can click on this download tab and you can choose the operating system. I am using Windows, so I will click on Windows and click on this stable version. And one important thing to remember here is that openHAB 5 uses Java 21, so you should have a version of Java 21 installed. If you have any other version of Java, you have to uninstall it and you have to install only Java 21 version, because it will not work with any other versions. So you can click on this openHAB 5.1.1 stable runtime, so it will download one zip file. Alright, so I have downloaded that zip file. So you have to right click on it and extract the zip file. Alright, so this is the folder, so I have to go in that folder. So there are different files available in this. Now assuming that you have already installed Java 21, the next step is to click on this start.bat file, right click on this and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. So it will display this message launching the openHAB runtime. So it will take some time during the first installation. So once it is properly installed, the command prompt will show this window. Suppose if you right click on the start.bat file and the command prompt just opens and again closes immediately, then there is a problem with the Java version. Just check in control panel whether any other version of Java is installed in your computer. If it is there, then just uninstall it and just keep only one version of Java, that is Java 21. So even after that doing this, still if it is not opening, then probably you have to go to your environment variables. So to go to environment variables, you can click on the Windows button and type environment variables. So you'll get a option here as edit the system environment variables. Click on that, then click on environment variables. Now here you have to go to the system variables and just check the Java path, right? So there should be one variable Java_home. If it is not there, then just click on new and create a variable with name as Java_home, and the path should be to the installation directory of your Java software. So in my case it is C drive program files /java/jdk21. Then the other thing that you have to check is the path. Okay, so there is one more variable below, so you have to go to path and then click on edit. So there should be this path visible, that is %java_home %/bin. Okay, if this path is not present, then click on new and just type this path and then click on OK, then click on OK and again click on OK. And after this you can again right click on that start.bat file and run as administrator. Then if all the path names, variable names are correct, then you'll get this screen. Now if you get this screen, then it means that the installation is done, and now you can go to your browser and you can simply type localhost :8080, right? Then click on enter. Now if you get such kind of screen, then again you can click on purge caches and refresh. So you'll get a message like service was not found. Okay, then what you can do is simply close this, close your command prompt as well. Again go to your folder and right click and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. So once you get this screen, just wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and when you do it for the first time, it does some installation in the background. Even if you get this screen, it is still doing some installation process in the background. So just wait for a few minutes. And so now I will open the browser and type localhost colon 8080 and hit enter. So now I get this screen. Okay, now here you have to create an account, administrator account, whenever you are using it for the first time. So let me create one account. Okay, so I have created an account. Just click on create account. Now it will ask to select the time zone, so you can just select English India, time zone as Asia Kolkata, then click on begin setup. Now probably you can go to this map and select your location, or you can simply click on retrieve from this device. It will automatically get the coordinates. Then here one important thing is that you can select the network according to the IP of your computer. So for that you can click on this Wi-Fi connection, click on properties. So down here you will get IPv4 address, so just check it. It is 10.240.203.185. so again I can go to this, and this is the IP address. So I just select this and set it as primary network. Now in this step it will ask us to install the persistence add-ons. So for this installation we will not use these add-ons, so I'll just ignore it. Similarly here also I will click on install add-ons later on, then you can click on get started. So once you click on get started, you will get this page in which you can click on settings. So all the things related to this openHAB are now available over here. Now you can make use of all these tabs for creating a app. Using this we can control the appliances remotely. So this was about the installation of openHAB. I hope you have installed it successfully. If not, if you have any problem, you can post your problems in the comment section. I will try to solve those problems. In the next video we'll see how to install the Mosquito server on the Windows PC and how to use it using Node MCU. Thank you.